Welcome! In front of me is a OPPO Pad Neo, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and here you'll find a bunch of different toggles, one of them being screen recording. Once you see it, simply tap on it. This will bring up this overlay with a couple options like recording device sound. You can interact with this grayed out location, and you can check on the things that you want to record, so system sound or microphone. You can obviously record also both, but I do recommend using headphones for that. And obviously we have the record button and close. Once you click on the record, it does begin recording and shows you how long it's been doing so. Additionally, this overlay doesn't actually show up on the recording, so you don't need to worry about that. Let's open up some crappy application just so I can showcase limitations to screen recording, or to Android, or to egregious corporate effery. So you can see we haven't agreed to absolutely no terms of service. So therefore there is a bunch of content visible. I'm not signed in. I haven't agreed to anything. I didn't allow Netflix to do absolutely nothing. Anyway, let's close this. And we're going to stop the recording. And now when we go back to play it, you'll be able to see in a second that what you will see is application just saying F your privacy and whatever would be considered as your personal whatever. And Netflix just gives you this much. So yeah, that's basically what you get. There is absolutely nothing visible because Netflix blocks screen recorder without your permission, without ever needing for you to agree to anything, which I would argue is a big no-no. But with that being said, Netflix isn't the only application that does this. Bank applications primarily use this kind of feature because this is technically a feature designed for your privacy. But let's be honest, Netflix doesn't protect any of your privacy. It protects its own ass from basically piracy, even though that's the least efficient way of pirating content. So in any case, I just wanted to mention this and stress this, that if you ever encounter such a recording where it's just fully black screen, just know that this is part of Android and you have zero control over your own device that you paid full price for. Nor did you agree to terms of service for an application to be allowed to do this. But with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful and informative, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.